Hey everybody, and welcome to Magic Prompts. Today, I want to show you how to change an image of a person using Stable Diffusion to produce a beautiful new image of that same person, using inpaint in just a few minutes. Feel free to leave me a comment if you have any question. First, generate the image you want and load it in the Image to Image tab. I am using the deliberate checkpoint, but you can use other ones too. Just make sure to use the same checkpoint until the process finishes. You could actually use images not created by Stable Diffusion, but in that case you would need to interrogate them first. For this tutorial, I will be using an image I previously created in Stable Diffusion. Make sure to click Inpaint. I used the prompt shown here. Feel free to pause the video and write it down. Also pay attention to the negative prompt. Pay attention to the weights used in the prompts. In my experience, they are very important and make the job easier. Now mask the face as shown here as I want to keep it. Make sure that your settings match the settings shown in the video. You can pause the video to read them. Now hit the Generate button and check the results until you are satisfied. It might take a couple of attempts before you find something you like. You could also play with CFG scale or denoise strength to tweak it a little. As you see, it produces really good results. Once you find something you like, save it using the Save button, then download it via the UI. This way, the generation parameters are also embedded into the image. Remember to switch to the PNG Info tab and load your image there. Once loaded, click on Send to Image to Image. I already did this and had a result I liked. Here is what I chose. Again, feel free to pause the video and copy the prompts shown here. Pay attention to the used weight in the negative prompt. Our goal is to put a little smile on the face. Mask the mouth, as shown here. Use these settings. You could also tweak them to your likings. Notice the changes to Resize Mode, Mask Mode, and Restore Faces. Don't forget to update the rest of the parameters, including the correct seed from the loaded image. Hit Generate until you find the result that is okay for you. It could take a couple of retries. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. If you want more videos, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.